a great delimiter, but I just want to show you something that happens when we do this. Now first, we're going to want to write the field name headers into the new file. So let's take out this next statement where we're skipping over those. So now I'll come down here. And now actually above our loop, we're going to want to open a new file for writing. And so we'll say with open. And we'll call this file new_names.csv. We want to open this for writing, so the second argument is a W. Then we'll say as, and we'll just call this variable new file. And to write to this file, we're going to use a CSV writer. So we can say CSV writer, and that can be any variable name, but that makes sense to me. And we'll do CSV, and then use this writer method. And we're going to pass in new file to that writer method. Now, if we left it like this, then it would just write the same comma-separated file that we currently have now. But if we want to use dashes as our delimiter, then we need to pass that in as an argument. So it's going to be the second argument to that writer method. And we can say delimiter equals, and we'll just go use a dash. Now we want to write each line of our original CSV file into this new file. So let's indent our for loop over here so that now we're within the context manager of this new file. And for each line in this CSV reader, which is our original file, we want to write that to a new file. So we can do that by saying CSV writer dot write row, and the row that we want to write is that line from the original reader. So real quick before I run this, we are opening the original file to be read, and then we're creating this CSV reader variable, and we are using this CSV.reader method to read that original CSV file, and then we're opening a new file for writing called newnames.csv, and then we're creating a CSV writer variable, and we're using this writer method of the CSV module to open up a writer using that new file with a delimiter of a dash. And then for each line in this original CSV data,